Hello children, வாழ்க வளமுடன். How are you all? Hope everybody is fine and good. All the best. Be good children at home. Convey my warm regards to your family members too. Yes, I am very happy to meet you everybody through this ELGA video class. Shall we enter to the session children? Before entering to the session, I want to remember you one thing. Always forget the mistake. Whatever may be the mistake in your life, remember the lesson you got with it. Okay? Right. Now, we are in Unit 6. Our topic is Great World Scientist. Yes, in this unit, you will be learning about lessons about the scientist, world level scientist. As usual, we have 5 components. Under phonics, we'll be learning some new patterns. Does anyone remember what vowels are? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Now, we can learn some new sounds with these vowels. That is short vowel sounds. The first short vowel sound is with E, A. The sound makes Y. E, A has in bread, head, thread, sweat, and then E-A-R, yar, dear, pear, tear, bear. Next, Y with Y. This letter Y at the beginning, end, after a vowel and middle, it makes the different sounds. The sound may be with different words, the sound will be varying. For example, gym, symbol, crystal, cylinder. Y at the beginning, it makes yellow. Y at the end of the word, it makes the sound I, cry. Y comes after a vowel, it remains silent. For example, key. Y, if it comes in the middle of the word, it makes the sound I. Symbol. Symbol. Okay? Right. Now, we'll be learning some other different sounds with OUS. Nervous, joyous, famous, serious, enormous, jealous, curious, etc. OUR makes the sound R. Journey, journal, courage, nourish, encourage, discourage, and with OU, it makes the sound touch, couple, cousin, trouble, and the sound O makes sun, honey, money, wonderful, monkey, etc. O has also some rules. If it comes at the beginning of the word, it makes a sound O, orange, octopus. When it comes in the middle, it makes the sound O, frog, dog. When it comes before N and V and TH, it makes a sound money, glove, mother, etc. Now we will be learning the whole words. Still, still, showed, showed, started, started. And next, taught, taught. Quickly, quickly. Tiny, tiny. Weak, weak. Left, left. Along, along. Named, named. Stopped, stopped. Things, things. Didn't, didn't. Wonderful, wonder. Fulfill, often, ever. Herself, caused. These are the whole words. You have to memorize the spelling too. You have to see and read. Okay? And next, as usual, we have oral part, that is reading and listening. Under reading and listening, in this unit, you will be learning about how to describe the characters and how to make connections while reading a story. And also, you have to read all the vocabulary words in the SR numbers 6, 13, 16 and 20. Right? So, describing characters. In the sense, when we read about a character or an important personality, we can describe them based on their actions and how those actions affected their lives. So, for example, we will be learning describe the character of Albert Einstein here. While we are doing this, we have to raise the question among ourselves like, what were his actions? Albert Einstein's actions. How did his actions affect the events in his life? Which adjectives can you use to describe him, whether it is positive or negative? What kind of person was Albert Einstein? And then we have to give evidence for the same. And while making connections with life, we learn something from the character or important personality by making connections with what we know already and what we have experienced in our own life. So, what did you learn from Albert Einstein's life? Think in such a way to making the connections. Okay, children? Yes. Now, under grammar, today we are going to learn the sentence structures in this unit. A sentence, you know very well, it can be made up of two or more parts. So, the different parts of a sentence are subject, verb, object, adverb and adjective. So, let us look at different sentence structures now. For example, I have given you one sentence. Here, Raman is playing basketball now. This is the sentence given to you. If you see, Raman, it is a subject. Subject is nothing but noun or pronoun doing the action. Next is verb. Verb in the sense, the action being done. Yes? Here what Raman is doing is playing. So, is playing is verb. And next is basketball, object. Object in the sense, noun or pronoun on which the action is being done. Okay, on which the action is being done. So, basketball. With what he is playing? Basketball. And when he is playing? Now. So, adverb. Adverb always describes the action being done. Okay. Next, Raman is a subject, is playing is a verb and basketball is an object and now is adverb. Next, Nayas gave a basketball. So, Nayas here comes for yes. subject. And a gave becomes verb. Basketball, it is direct object. Direct object in the sense noun or pronoun receiving the action. To his friends. His friends is the indirect object, noun or pronoun affected by the action. To find the indirect object, ask the question to or for whom to the verb. To find the direct object, ask the question what to the verb. Okay children, keep this in mind. So, we had learned some different sentence structures in this unit. Now, we are in 5th section, that is writing and speaking expression. Here, we have been informed to write an information article on the given topic. Right? So, for writing the information article, we should have the following 3 parts especially. Topic sentence, supporting details and closing part. So, topic sentence is the first sentence or about what? The main idea. It contains the main idea. Supporting details will be like it carries all the other extra ideas of particular topic. And closing session will be like what about the particular passage? It contains the closing note. So with the help of these boxes, we can be able to write an information article easily, whatever may be the topic. Keep writing children, and I'll send you the assessment sheet later for your verification. Refer it and practice well for your exam. So with this, I wish to complete the session. Thank you. Thank you for your patient listening. Stay tuned and stay connected. Bye.